I really don't. I hate it.
Why?
It's just no use for me.
Man. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Supposed to put it down in there. Okay, like that. Supposed to take it down. Very intricate work, as you can see. So what you do, you're supposed to place it down in there, and then kind of get it like that. Okay. Then place it down in there. And God tape it. Like that. Then put that back down in there. Like that. Alright. So you put the controller back together. There's a screw that goes in here. Right there. There's a screw right there.
What's my fingers in the way? I don't know. The battery back in place.
But yeah, it's a screw missing. You got
No, it's not. It's right there.
where?
It's right there.
There was another one. Here it
Right
is.
there.
So here's the very intricate part. Because you don't want to damage any of the circuits. You damage the circuits, it's a wrap. There it is.
Yep, that's it right there. Hit it right at the spot.
So it's still okay. Still down in there. Down in there. And then you go ahead and do that there. Screw. There you go. Okay. Then you put the battery back. This is how you will replace the battery too. It's like a connector that goes. It's a connector right there. You point at it. You just disconnect it. Do it accordingly.
Nice what's up.
All right, and then we're going to put this back together. The bumpers are very sensitive, so you gotta be careful with them.
Don't forget about that screw, bro.
Yeah, I got it.
Damn, boy. Damn.
So it's really intricate. You kind of pop that up there if you want.
Screw is right there.
Okay. So that's tricky because the bumper's got to be good too. It's the hard part, y'all, because you want your bumper to work. So. You know I edit videos and stuff?
Yes. I know. That's why I was going on YouTube just like this.
once again, this is the hard part because the bumpers have to be right.
Damn, what?
It's irritating. Y'all know it's really irritating.
Well, this is gonna take a while. Man, give them like, I don't know, let's just say an hour and a half. I mean, you got two screws. You gotta put back in place out of 4, I guess. And yes, that is a pink controller.
Originally it was my lady's.
We're using it at the moment.
Yeah.
We get another one.
Got it.
Damn, boy, you dropping the screws.
Hopefully this works. It's my first time fixing this issue. The other issue I fixed was with, for some reason, that's one of those screws.
It's right there. Oh, wait. You lost it! It can't be.
Nope, got it.
Alright, cool. Cool. I'm about to say, you lost the screw!
Yeah, I felt it when it dropped.
This is the last screw. This is for the finals.
Alright, here we go. Let's see if